Let me show you how to make the perfect, the only one original spaghetti con vongole. Oh my God! It's gonna taste so good. First of all, we need to cook a spaghetti. You can see the water is really boiling. I got here about 200 grams of spaghetti, straight in. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Cover. Bring to boil again. Let's go into make the vongole. Look, this vongole, it's so good, so sweet, so fresh. They are nice and clean. Put them inside water and just wash them quickly, but don't leave them in the water. Then you pick them up and just slowly, one by one, after they make that lovely noise, which then means alive, you can see that they're like lead that goes down, they go bang, 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 bang. If you see some of those are open, do not use. I mean, it's dead and not really, really good. You don't want that stuff when you cook. You really want it nice and fresh. First of all now, using about half chili because it's quite good. So roughly chop or slice it. You can see this way it's done. It goes. Then get 3 cloves of garlic. So roughly chop again. This is the original. This is the only one. Oh, I love this dish. Remind me when I was a young boy. Well, still I'm a young boy. And I used to go and collected my own vongole, clams. I used to bring them on. And my mother, she would make it in minutes. Hardly anything at all. So, look at that. We got lots of chili. Because this is half mild chili. If you're very strong, use less. We got 3 cloves of garlic. The pasta is nearly ready. Yes, spaghetti is ready. First of all, you need a good olive oil. Use about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, and 3. That's good. If you next one, doesn't matter. You get the garlic and chili straight in. And you sweat them a little bit. 2 handfuls of vongole. Yeah, come on, for me I'm going to put a 3. So easy. Be careful when you do that. So always have a kind of chef. Splash of wine. You check it. And look at that. As soon as I start opening, you can see, look, they all moving. Fantastic. Parsley. Nice handful of parsley. Put them on the table and roughly chop. Roughly. Look at that. You can see, look the way it's open. Come have a look, come inside. Keep your camera. Now, it's the time for the spaghetti gets in. Because the wine evaporated and they left the lovely flavor of the grapes inside. Straight in. Little bit of a pasta water. Okay, right, straight in a plate. Ah, yes. Come on, don't go away. Oh, this is lovely vongole. Just a little bit more of a parsley. It tastes so good. Why it tastes so good? Because it's the simplicity to make it, the freshness of the vongole, the chili, the garlic, the parsley.